Hello and welcome back, my friends. The harsh winter is over and the spring is here. So I am starting my project with the marigold and recommend you to start as soon as possible in the spring. You can see the packet of marigold that I have brought from the flower store. Opening it up and you can see some black and white seeds inside it. There are more than 100 seeds. So just sprinkle the seeds in the garden bed where you have prepared for your seeds, and you need to cover the seeds with the soil like this. And sprinkle the water so that the mud is wet. And checking after 20 days, you can see very nice small marigold plants has grown up, and it's very beautiful out over here. So checking after 30 days, you can see the plants are 4 to 6 inches tall and some are still young. So it's time to transplant those 6-inch tall plants in a separate place where you really want them to grow tall and bear a lot of beautiful flowers. So I'm just selecting some tall plants of around 4 to 6 inches and placing in other place where I really want to grow them, and just plant them in around 50 to 60 centimeters apart. And here I have planted all the flowers in the garden, and I'm just planting 2 of the marigold flower in the pot and watering them up and living like that. So here I have placed all the plants and they are ready to grow. So after 45 days, when they are transplanted very well, I'm adding the compost in them so that they will excel their growth rate, and just covering them with the soil so that once I will water them, all the nutrition will go inside the root of the plant. It will not, so that it will not spread around. So here, checking after 60 days, you see the rainwater has also poured in the plants, and they are really doing great by the good sunlight and the rainwater. And I don't have to water them frequently, as well as I don't have to put the fertilizer frequently. They are very easy to grow. They will grow on their own. And in the pot also, you can see I haven't added any more fertilizer, and it is really doing good in there. So checking after 80 days, you can see the plant are really tall, and there are some lateral branches also grown. So this will be my final update after 95 days. These plants has grown very tall, very nice, and you can see the number of lateral branches has grown. The plant is in really good shape. The rainwater and full sunlight has helped them grow very well. I don't have to put much effort to grow them, and all you need to do is sometimes you need to weed them out from the base, and they will grow on their own. So friends, in this way you can grow the marigold flower at your home. If you have inquiries, please comment below. I hope you like my video. Please do share it, give it a thumbs up, and please don't forget to subscribe for more interesting videos. Thank you and see you again.